Haida Gwaii is an archipelago off the northwest coast of BC. It's about a 7-hour ferry ride from the mainland and very close to Alaska as well, so quite remote. And it's one of the most beautiful places in the world. Growing up Indigenous in Canada hasn't always been easy. A big part of that is how little we see ourselves reflected in what Canada is as a nation. Indigenous people tend to be the least represented out of any ethnic group within the country. And often when we are represented, it's through stereotyping or tokenism, and it really impacts us in our ability to see ourselves not only represented as stories that can uplift us, but also as the storytellers. The Haida Gwaii Media Collective is a media training and resource initiative that we launched on Haida Gwaii in November of 2021 to address a lot of the systemic barriers and issues that we find within remote communities. So through training, through mentorship, through access to equipment, we empower locals to be able to start telling their own stories and start reinforcing our own narratives in modern mainstream media, which traditionally we've been excluded from. So many supporting organizations often want to prescribe a way to do things. And what's crucial within Indigenous communities and marginalized communities and remote communities is that not everything works the same way it might work in the city or an urban center. We need to apply approaches that are distinct to our peoples and our cultures to be most effective in creating that positive social change which we're trying to push towards. And what I love about the Indigenous Innovation Initiative is that they've given us the freedom to be able to explore on our own terms how to do this work the right way.